This is made by the Shreyash. It is earthquake simulation, and this is a structure which he made, and he's trying. This when earthquake is coming, this structure should be stable. This is a Shreyash
Mr. Biman,
who have prepared this demo.
the building has collapsed.
Building has
One
collapsed.
pillar has collapsed.
It's a 9.1 magnitude earthquake now. Shesh, do you want to say something about this, your demo?
This demo can work because this has electric. I know how to take it off. If you wanted to take it off, it's this. This one goes here if you want to do it then.